Drafts has made considerable progress. Long before, people were not aware of the term money. At that point in time, the barter system was prevalent. Goods were exchanged for goods. It was inefficient and time consuming. Thus, the economy didn't function quite as well, unlike today. However, as time passed, money was introduced. Producers and consumers became a separate entity. Markets were formed, and economies emerged. The act of making transfers and payments became more simplified and structured, with less hassles and problems. But we didn't stop there, did we? With the discovery of the internet, everything took a new turn. Now my parents don't have to lend various commodities in order to pay my school fees or buy me books, as was the case in barter system. They simply press a few buttons on the internet and the transaction is done. At a broader level these days, business firms do not have to maintain massive records in registers or have to make complex calculations on paper in order to determine their profits or losses. Everything is done electronically, making the process highly precise. Transactions today can be made by people sitting in any corner of the world. For example, if I want a book or anything else, I can just do so by ordering it electronically through online stores like Amazon and eBay. Methods of payment have also improved. There are options of net banking, visas, debit cards, cash on delivery and whatnot. Transactions and businesses today have the option of being carried out electronically and digitally. It's that advanced these days, and it's all because of digital business. It has taken all our lives to a brand new level and has given the business world a fresh new look. A look that refuses to lose its glow.